So I'm keeping welcome back to my channel. I don't think I know how to do this anymore. It's been a minute since I've tried to film. It's been a while. We've had some unexpected issues in the family. Maybe I'll update you guys in the future, but finally today was probably the first day in a long time that I got excited about filming and showing you guys what I got. Ipsy has been spoiling their creators, guys. Thank you again, Ipsy, for gifting me all of these products, all 3 of their subscription boxes. So if you guys haven't heard, Ipsy has made big changes, merging with Boxycharm, and so they're showcasing all the different subscription boxes that they have to offer. And yeah, so I'm here to explain it to you guys, kind of show you a sneak peek and give you the deets and the tea about Ipsy. If you want to know what's in these 3 boxes, then keep on watching. So it looks like, so Ipsy sent me their Glambag, their medium-sized box, which is the Boxycharm by Ipsy, and then the biggest one, which is seasonal. Every 3 or 4 months you get this, and this is their Icon Box. So this is the biggest one of the 3. I'll have the different price ranges in my description box below, in case you're interested in subscribing to Ipsy. If you're a makeup lover, beauty and skincare lover, you're gonna love Ipsy subscription because it keeps you guys in stock, guys. Pretty much everything that you need in skincare and beauty and even lifestyle, Ipsy has it. Before these boxes arrived, Ipsy sent me a kind of like a welcome, creator package. It actually sent me 2 gifts already, one from Drunk Elephant, and I have a short about it if you guys want to see that. And also I got a Too Faced palette, and they're both amazing. What an amazing gift from them. And they also gave me a card about the different memberships that are available through Ipsy. So there's the Glambag, which is 5 deluxe samples, $13 a month. And then you also have the Boxycharm box, which is 5 full-size items, and it's $28 a month. The Icon box is 8 coveted or sometimes curated beauty products, all full-size, worth over $350 worth of products, and it's $58 per quarter. So this is all about the merge. You also get power picks. So every month, members will get a superstar product from Beauty's Most Wanted brands. So you get a choice. You get 1 choice if you're a Glambag member, and you get 2 choices if you are a Boxycharm member. The Mega Drop Shop is another one available to Ipsy. It's member exclusive deals that are pretty much just a big sale. And then Beauty Boost is max beauty, less money. Adding a beauty boost to their Ipsy memberships, and your audience will get first dibs on premium bonus full-size products for only $15 a month. That's all of the different Ipsy memberships available to you guys. If you want to know what's changed, what's new, what's going to happen to your other memberships, I have another video from last month explaining all about that, and I have a link about all the membership rules and what's going to happen to Boxycharm and the different membership types. So they went all out, guys. This is the best month from Ipsy. Let's start with the Ipsy Glambag. Here's the Ipsy Glambag. This is the cheapest of the 3 memberships, and you get 5 deluxe size. Usually one of them is actually a full-size item. So you also get a neat bag like this. All right, I'm keeping this bag. It looks very good quality compared to all the other bags. Actually, a lot of the bags are really good quality, but this one is just, I don't know, it's super kind of heavier and thick in my opinion, but I love the design. It's like really screaming, pretty much summer season. There's 5 deluxe sample size in here. So the first one is a foaming cream cleanser. It's a mousse type of cleanser by Korres. So I love this brand. It's a good brand. Actually, I'm using their kind of rose cleanser right now. There's also this Jasmine Beauty Illuminating Highlighter. Let's see the color. I don't want to really open it because a lot of these are gonna go in a giveaway. And I've decided that from now on, whenever I get an Ipsy package, I'm gonna do a mini giveaway for my subscribers. So be on the lookout for the next giveaway. The first one have already passed, so be on the lookout for the next one. This is my full-size item, the Great Lengths Mascara, Lengthening and Thickening Mascara. So that's what it looks like. And then it's a brow product with vitamin E. I could use this, you know, kind of help you comb through your brows a bit. And then the last one I'm excited about is a Glow Recipe Strawberry Smoothie BHA and AHA Salicylic Acid Serum. So if you have acne prone skin, I think this is going to be really good for you. Tiny little sample, but you know, it's enough to kind of let you know whether your skin loves it or not. All right, so the handle has the word Ipsy on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Very nice. I love that detail. Sometimes they even have it inside, like the Ipsy logo, but not on this one. Let's do the medium bag. So I already kind of pre-opened it for you guys, but this is the Boxycharm box. So this is, if you are a Boxycharm membership, that is now being replaced with Boxycharm by Ipsy. This is their medium-sized subscription, which is $28 a month. So not bad. I thought the prices went up already to 30 something, but maybe not. Maybe I'm thinking of something else. It's a medium-sized box. It kind of looks like the same shape as a Boxycharm box. And these are 5 full-size items, guys. 5 full-size items. Let's start with Persona. Ooh, okay, Persona Beauty. It's a good brand. I mean, I hear a lot of good things. I used to follow the owner too. I mean, I still do. I still follow all of them. I just don't watch as much of their beauty videos anymore. But ooh, so this is a blush by Persona. I love the packaging. Perfect for, oh my gosh, my nail dug in. Oh, okay. I guess I'll have to keep it. I'm a sucker for blushes anyway. Ooh, this is like a deeper, kind of pink. Ooh, and oops, gosh, I'm dropping everything. Next one. Translucent setting powder. This one I'm definitely gonna use. This is by Dominique. I wonder if this is the same as the Dominique Cosmetics. I'll have to research it. This is Beauty Inside and Out. It's a translucent powder, and I could always use a translucent powder, so I will be keeping this as well. I follow Dominique like since the beginning of time. So if this is by her, by Dominique Cosmetics, then I would be so excited to keep this because she's old school in the beauty community, and I love her. I love watching her techniques. Love Craft and Beauty Dual Dimension Dual Tip Liquid Liner. Let's see the tip. I like the purple packaging. So there's that. So it looks like a felt tip. I'm not gonna touch it. So I can put this in a giveaway. Oh, I like how there's a thicker tip and also a finer tip like this. The fourth item is an iconic London Beachside Bare Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, the colors in here are gorgeous. Look at all the shimmers. Like, ugh. I want to keep this, but I know I have a lot of these similar colors. I've been kind of on a minimalist kick lately when it comes to beauty and makeup. I don't know, it's just, you know, sometimes you're excited, but actually I never get tired of getting these beauty products, but now that I'm getting them for free, I really love sharing them with you guys, with my subscribers. This one was a surprise because I didn't expect like super lifestyle products from Ipsy. This is a coconut coffee scrub exfoliator. So it helps you exfoliate your body, basically. I've gotten something similar like this in my Fabfitfun box. So it's interesting that they have this now. I've tried it and it's pretty good, but I don't have the patience for like cleaning the coffee off my body. So I think I'm gonna give it to someone who's really gonna enjoy body scrubs. So that is everything. What do you guys think? So I had the liquid liner, the eyeshadow palette, I had the coconut coffee scrub, I also had the powder by Dominique Cosmetics, I hope, and then the Persona blush. The next and final item is the biggest box. This is the Icon Box. Is it truly iconic? So that's what everyone is saying. Here's the bag, by the way. The theme is Let Yourself Bloom, Bring on Better Days and Warmer Weather. Me and the heat, we're not friends. I'm ready for warmer weather, that's for sure. Not heat waves like we have here in California. This box, I have to say, again, different from other Ipsy creator unboxings. We have some things that are similar, but I love that Ipsy is now changing it up so that when one person shows like a box, it's not going to be the same one as the next person. So every unboxing is a little bit more unique from each other, which I like. I want everyone to get a chance to kind of showcase their products in a different way. Let's start with this first one by Skin Inc., the Body Sculpt Fit Serum. It's a body serum, which is different, but actually I've been trying a body serum by Face Story and it's been really great. It's a lightweight body serum that melts into the skin to help lift, tone, and smooth the appearance of uneven skin for a visibly brighter and healthier glow. Everything is good here, guys. This is the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. Ooh, so it's an eye cream and the packaging is so cute. Can you guys see that? This is way too cute. Like it has little dents into the packaging. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna be using this one. Vitamin C Brighten Eye Gel Cream. Another Glow Recipe, which is exciting to me. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Ultra Fine Mist. So I have the Glow Recipe moisturizer that I got from Ipsy as well a few months back. And this one is the mist. So it's a very hydrating spray. So can't wait to try that. The other thing, guys, is by Anastasia. So again, there's a few here. There's like three Anastasia products in here. Wow. I mean, I've seen other unboxings, but I think mine's the best. I could be biased. But yeah, this one is a stick highlighter, stick illuminator. So I wonder how this compares. So it looks like this. It looks a little dark, but maybe not. Oh, I want to try it so badly, but I have so many stick highlighters that I don't want this to go to waste. I might put this in a giveaway, but look how luxurious. You guys know Anastasia, Beverly Hills, they're just super high-end products. So I might put this in a giveaway for all of you girls who like to glow it up, who likes that glow, as my friend Vanessa would say. All right, the Magic Extension Fiber Mascara by MAC. They even have MAC in here, guys. Wow. Yeah, this mascara, I'm definitely gonna try it. I try almost every single mascara, but look at the packaging. Oh my goodness. MAC is amazing. 3 more, guys. 8 full-size products. Did I say thank you to Ipsy? Ipsy, thank you so much. You have been very generous to me and all other creators. I have to be honest that I haven't been very inspired with YouTube lately, and when I get packages like these from Ipsy, it just gets me so excited and I just get back on it. So I'm so glad that they are still considering me for this campaign. Okay, it's a lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills. The bullet lipsticks are amazing. I've had a few. And this is in the color Praline, which looks like has a brown undertone, just right up my alley. Looks like it's gonna be the nudist nude. And if this doesn't work for me, this will definitely work for my daughter because she's a little bit lighter in skin tone than me. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer. Look at the packaging. Perfection, guys. And there's the cream bronzer, which I'm afraid to touch. Okay, there's like a film, but that's the color. Oh, I usually use powder. You know, bronzer sticks and like creamy bronzers like these are harder to like control, but it just takes a little bit more blending. But it looks more kind of realistic, I should say, like more skin-like when you use these cream bronzers. And especially if you have dry skin, this is like the perfect one for you. I'm gonna keep it because I want to know. I need to know. I want to take a picture of it before I dive into it, guys. All right, and then the last one. Are you guys ready for it? They have JLo Beauty. I think a couple of days ago, I was just following JLo Beauty and I saw this glow serum and I was like, I want that. And oh my gosh, it's here and it's in its glorious form, in its full size form, like, and there's a pump. And you know, of course, JLo is extra. So this one tightens and brightens the face. I want that. Who doesn't want to look like JLo when they're 50, right? Okay, so that's my goal in life, is to look like JLo when I'm almost 60. That is everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions about Ipsy memberships or anything like that, I can find answers for you. Just comment your questions down below. Let me know, what is your most favorite product in this lineup? I think my favorite is the JLo. Like, it was very, very unexpected to get this product. So Ipsy, you have outdone yourself. Thank you again for all these goodies. Like, I'm beyond excited. And yeah, so guys, be on the lookout for a future giveaway. There's another one coming. Some of them are going to come from this group of products in here. It's going to be another mini but big, if that makes sense. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxing here and there. So definitely stick around, join this beauty community. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.